Hello guys, it's Sai here. Today video, let's figure it out if it's really worth it to buy 3-meter invisible selfie stick for X4 or X5 camera, and what we can do with this 3-meter selfie stick. Without further ado, let's see all the clips.
Stop, we find our way. Move so fast, we make it last. Chasing time, it's running past. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way.
Next shot with Insta360 X5, we will be shooting the faint drone shot Tiger. Let's see how beautiful it is, guys.
Every step decides our fate. Hearts on fire, no room for doubt. In this race, we're breaking out. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way.
Hello guys, next drone shot with the Insta360 X5. We will try to simulate like the FPV shot, rolling left and right, and then reveal the location, guys.
Feet hit the ground, the pulse is strong. Chasing the echoes all along. No looking back, no turning round. The thrill of life is what we found. We race the sun, no
The faint drone shot, like the drone is follow us from the front and from the back position. And let's see how is the footage, guys.
keep the rhythm all the way. Keep the rhythm all the way.
Okay guys, next one I will be shooting the top-down shot with the 3-meter selfie stick. Hey guys, just finished showing you guys all the incredible shot we can get with this 3-meter selfie stick and with our X5 camera, guys. all the frame drone shot are incredible. Time lapse shot, time shift shot also incredible, guy. With the price that we pay and then the value that we can get from this 3-meter selfie stick is absolutely incredible, guy. Just only one disadvantages with this 3-meter selfie stick, because when we retrieve them, it just can go up to this this length, guy. When you put it in the small bag like this, it become like it cannot fix 100% in the small bag like this. I wish Insta360 fix it in the future, guy. Actually, this portion, when we retrieve it, supposed to be going all the way down and should lap around this portion, and then so we can put inside the small bag. Anyway, guys, if you find this video useful, and don't forget to give me the thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe, guys. It really helped me to grow the channel. I see you guys next time. Bye.